Hey everybody, it's the handbag hauler here, coming with a video unboxing today. But of course, as always, please like and subscribe and hit that bell button for my notifications. I have an unboxing. Everybody know what that means. Into it. Now this is a bag that this is a bag that I pondered upon for years, and so I decided to just go ahead and pull the trigger. So let's see what we got here. Now Dooney has been having great sales. I swear I have something in my cart right now that I didn't get before. Oh, hold on here. This is not really good for this, but let's get this over here. It's all the more anticipation. All right. Ooh. Okay, hold on. Let me put the bag down. The box down. So, I went and pulled the trigger on the Detachable Barlow. Now, I was trying to decide if I want to do the zip Barlow. So I just weighted by cost. So I ended up getting this one. So let's go into opening this bad girl up. Now, the other reason I picked this one is because I like the option of having these handles here. Now on the Barlow, it just has the strap, the braided strap, which is cool. I love the braided strap, but I just wanted the option to just carry it like this in the crook of my arm. And with the Barlow, it has the zippers on the side. I like that look because it gives it a little bit of a, I think it's a green interior once you unzip it. Green or red, I'm not sure exactly which one it is. I had mine so long ago, so I don't know if they changed it. But I decided to go with this one because I never unzipped when I had the zip Barlow. I never unzipped it, the side. So I am happy with this. Okay. And so this one is 231 out of 319 bags that they have produced. All right, let's see here. And what really gets me is just this whole scalloped detail around the bag. That is what really gets me with this bag. So let me get the black scissors here. Stop playing. Alright. They really have this on here. Scratcher. Got the handles. But you know how when you get it for Christmas, when you get a gift and you just want to tear open the wrapper, that's how I want to do right now. But I can't because you all know these Florentine bags are very delicate and you will get a scratch in a minute on these things. So man, they got these. Man, jeez, you ain't getting in this. I love it though. It's protected at all costs. Oh, and then they got it taped together too. Y'all didn't want us to get in these bags. Ooh. Okay, I'm sorry you guys. All right, there we go. So, open her up. She smells really good, the Florentine leather. This is awesome. And as you can see, I got my bandages off. Hand is working well. It's still getting a little bit sore every now and then, but it's healing and I'm doing better. So here we go. Got the dust bag there. Some paper. And this one comes with the strap. As you can see here, I'm gonna put that on. But I'll do that because I don't know if this is gonna be hard to get off or not. But this bag is really cute. I'm so happy. This is beautiful. It's so beautiful. And it is gonna be a little heavy, but I'm gonna try to deal with it. Let's put this on, and it just connects right here. You got the gold tone hardware, and this is one of those straps that you can adjust and wear it long like this because it has the two buckles here, or you can wear it short. And so I'll take this part off here, and then this is how you wear it short. So it can be a shoulder bag or a crossbody. But if you look at it, it's really beautiful. It does have some tiger stripes here, but again, that's just kind of how the leather is on this particular bag. It has quite a few of them. Maybe when they stretch the leather. But I'm okay with that. It is still a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bag. You got your 5 feet on the bottom of this. And because I don't like bag breakdown, is what I call it, I may stick a insert in here to kind of keep it stable. Because we all know Florentine, you know, once you start using it, kind of gets, you know, patina and breakdown, which I'm okay with the patina on it. But I'll tell you what happened to my Barlow, and I have a video about this, but it's from a long time ago, so I'll just tell you that I had taken it with me traveling, and I don't know what happened, but you know, you have to put your purse on the floor in front of you. So I did that. And when I was getting ready to get off the plane, I got my bag off the floor, and on the back of my bag was this big oil stain on the back of the bag. And I'm like, what the heck was on the floor that it has oil on the plane floor? That's crazy. So I was not happy about that at all. With this big old spot on my bag. So I have told myself I won't be traveling with a Florentine leather, light leather bag ever again unless I put it in the dust bag on the plane and travel with it. That's how I said I was going to do that. Or even keep this bag here and put it in there and travel with it. So usually when I'm stuffing my bags, I'll keep this bag, put all the stuffing back in it. I might have to tape it up because it's got a little hole in it. But I keep the stuffing and just put it back in the bag. So I can kind of keep it the form of the bag. It won't be stored button, but it will still have that in it to keep its shape. So this is the bag, you guys. I love it. It's so cute, and like a medium size, I would say. It's I'll put the measurements in the description box below, so those of you who are wondering and thinking about getting this bag, you'll see the dimensions. I'll also send a link to the bag in the description box also. But yes, guys, let me show you the pockets here. These pockets are pretty deep. And you have an inside pocket here. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there you go. That's on the front of the bag, and then in the back of the bag, in this pocket, it does not have an inside slip pocket, but you can still, it's a slip pocket by itself. You can still stick something down in there, your phone, whatever, wipes, whatever you need to get to very fast. That's a great option for that. So I just wanted to come and do this quick unboxing with you all, and thank you so much for joining me. Those of you who are new to my channel, welcome, and thank you for subscribing with me. And as always, hit that bell button, like and subscribe, and join me next time on my next video. Take care, everybody.